There we go, we're getting the last of the pillars in for my new deck over here, and Messia's just plumbing away at the last. This is the last batch we're making, eh, today? Nice, okay, it's the last batch. What do you ask me just now?
I need this one.
You what?
I need.
Show me, what do you need?
I need this one.
That hat?
Yes.
Okay, you see I'm busy packing out all my cupboards here, and Messia says that hat, let me take a picture of it. That hat was my late son's hat.
Okay.
He died when he was 13 years old, okay?
All right.
And what does it say? It says the Guai River Hotel, Zimbabwe. And I have been keeping it for a long time, but you can have it, okay?
All right.
You look after it, see, will you?
Yeah.
There's not much to look after, not much left of it, but I mean, treasure it. Okay, righto.
Right.